You know what? I've actually had a lot of cases that were intriguing, but if I had to pick one that I felt really good about and was fascinating is there's this thing called bad faith insurance liability. So if you have an insurance company, you've got an agreement that they're supposed to cover you in a certain case. If they have breached that agreement and they're refusing to pay, it can create the conditions for a bad faith lawsuit. And I had a case where our client, he was in Canada traveling and he was stopped at a truck stop and he got ran over by a semi truck. And there were three insurance companies involved. There was his health insurance, his auto insurance, and then the insurance for the truck driver. And everyone agreed that our client, he needed to be covered. He had serious injuries, wasn't able to work for months and months on end. It negatively impacted his business as a contractor. But the insurance companies all wanted to argue about who had to pay first using exclusionary clauses. Like they're all pointing at each other. Oh no, they got to write the check first. And so essentially it left him with no one paying. And so we ended up having to file a lawsuit in that case to fight the contracts. And eventually, we got to the point that they did offer a settlement and they had to pay quite a bit more than they would have if they'd just done their job.